1. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. 2. The 3 great essentials to achieve anything worthwhile are hard work, stick-to-itiveness, and common sense. 3. I never did anything by accident, nor did any of my inventions come by accident. They came by work. 4. Maturity is often more absurd than youth, and very frequently is most unjust to youth. 5. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. 6. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. 7. Not everything of value in life comes from books. Experience the world. 8. Just because something doesn't do what you planned it to do doesn't mean it's useless. 9. If we did all the things we are capable of, we would literally astound ourselves. 10. I have friends in overalls whose friendship I would not swap for the favor of the kings of the world. 11. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. 12. Be courageous. I have seen many depressions in business. Always America has emerged from these stronger and more prosperous. Be brave as your fathers before you. Have faith. Go forward.